Hello, my name is Kelly. I'll be presenting 3D printing in Switzerland. 3D printing is additive manufacturing where an object is created by adding material layer by layer. And some material would be plastic, metal, silver, carbon fiber, and this plastic could be renewable plastic. Many industries such as the airplane industry, the automotive and medical field will benefit a lot in manufacturing by increasing productivity. Switzerland in this case is using 3D printing in their medical field to print implants for their patients. So this would be my two truths in one line. 3D printing can build a house for less than $5,000. 3D printing was founded in the 90s. 3D printing is now limited in the materials that can be used for printing.